Hi children, good morning. How are you children? Yes, you all are fine. Yes, we are starting our FA1 revision. Yes, the 4th class children social FA1 revision. How many lessons are there children? There are 2 lessons for the exam. There are 2 lessons. Yes, the lesson number 1, explorations, discoveries and inventions. Yes, open your workbook children and your classwork also. Your workbook and your classwork. Yes, and your homework. First you should open your homework. Write there FA1 revision, the heading and the date. Yes, and you have to start your revision in the homework book. Yes, first you read children, afterwards you write. Okay. First one, multiple choice questions. Which among the following inventions made travel and transport faster and easier for humans? There are 4 options children. The first one is ball point pen, the second one is wheel, and the third one is computer, and the fourth one is paper. Which one is correct in this children? Yes, the B means it is wheel. Okay, and the next one, second one. Who among the following was the first person to travel to the space? Who was the first person children? We have read in the lesson. Yes, what is the answer children? Yuri Gagarin. It is Yuri Gagarin. Yes. And the next one children. Yes. Okay children. Fill in the blanks children. The third one, Alexandrine Tinney explored the path followed by the river dash for the first time. Which river children? It is Nile. It is Nile. And the fourth one. Okay, the fourth one children. Vasco da Gama discovered a way to reach dash by sea. To reach dash by sea. It is India children. It is India. Yes. The next one. Very short answer questions. Okay. The fifth one. Who is usually called the father of medicine in India? Who is that children? We have read in the previous class. Yes. Who is the usually called the father of medicine in India? Who is he? Charaka. Who is he? Charaka. And which Chinese invention was initially used to wrap delicate materials? What is that children? The answer is paper. The answer is paper. Yes. And the next one is short answer questions. Define discovery. Give an example. Yes children. Finding or learning about something that no one knows about is called discovery. What is that children? Finding or learning about something that no one knows about that is called the discovery. For example, fire is an example of a discovery. Okay children? Children, short answer question. Define discovery, give an example. Finding or learning about something that no one knows. That no one knows about is called a discovery. For example, fire is an example of a discovery. What is the answer children? Finding or learning about something that no one knows about. No one knows about that is called a discovery. Fire is a discovery. Yes, it is an example. Yes. And the next one, understanding part children. Write true or false. Discoveries and inventions are related to each other. Are not related to each other. Are related to each other is true. Yes. First, let us see the 8th one. Discoveries and inventions are not related to each other. Is it true or false children? Yes, it is false. They are related to each other. They are related to each other. Yes, the 9th one. The discovery of fire led to the invention of the stove. Is it true? Yes, it is true. The 10th one. The mobile phone is a discovery. The mobile phone is a discovery. It is false. It is false. The mobile phone is a discovery is false. Yes. Then what it is, children? The mobile phone is an invention. It is an invention. Yes. And the 11th one. Okay, children. 10th one, children. Ferdinand Magellan was the first person to travel around the world. It is true. It is true. Yes. The short answer questions. The 12th one. Why did people start exploring new routes to Asia and Africa? Give 2 reasons for your answer. Yes. The answer is in the classwork, children. You have to read. Okay. Earlier, people from Europe traveled to places in Asia and Africa by land. Many rulers from these places blocked the routes passing through their lands. Therefore, people started to explore new routes by sea. They also wanted to find faster ways to reach these places. Yes, children? Yes? Children, answer. Earlier, people from Europe traveled to places in Asia and Africa by land. Many rulers from these places blocked the routes passing through their lands. Therefore, people started to explore new routes by sea. They also wanted to find faster ways to reach their places. Means, children, the many rulers from these places blocked the routes, right, passing through their lands. Therefore, the people started to explore the new routes by the sea. By the lands they stopped, so that they have explored the new routes by sea. Yes. And the next one, the 13th one. These answers are in the classwork, children. Why is fire considered a discovery but matchstick an invention? Yes. The fire is considered a discovery because no one knew about it before it was discovered. Yes, and the earlier humans also discovered how to create and use fire. And the matchstick was created, to produce fire. So a matchstick is an invention. Yes, children. Again, I am going to read. Fire is considered a discovery because no one knew about it before it was discovered. Yes, no one knew about the fire when it was discovered. Early humans also discovered how to create the fire and use fire. Matchstick was created to produce the fire. So a matchstick is an invention. Yes. And the long answer, children. Okay. Children, long answer question. The 14th one. Given below is a table with a few inventions. Describe how people worked before these inventions. Also mention the changes in people's lives after these inventions. Yes, children, here it is given the inventions, what people did earlier, changes due to the invention. Yes, the first one, let us see, children. Ballpoint pen. Yes, what people did earlier. Ballpoint pen, it is what people did earlier. Yes, people used fountain pens that had to be dipped in ink again and again. The ballpoint pen, it is an invention. Yes, what people did earlier means the people used fountain pens that had to be dipped in ink again and again. Yes, the changes due to the inventions. It made writing easy and quicker. About the ballpoint pen. Yes, children. And the next one, the paper. What people did earlier? People used cloth. Yes, parchment. Yes, tablets and leaves for writing. Yes, and the changes due to the invention. It helped in the development of mass writing and printing. The next one is telephone. What people did earlier? People used to send messages through letters. Messengers or pigeons. Yes, people can hear the changes due to the inventions. About the telephone we are telling children. Yes, the people can directly talk to their relatives and friends at any distance. The next one is calendar. What people did earlier. People calculated date and time with the help of the positions of the sun and the moon in the earlier. Yes, and the changes due to the invention means nowadays the calendars helped one to quickly know the date. Yes, children, do your revision properly and write these all the means you have to write like a ST, children. Like a ST. Which answers? The short answer questions you have to write. Yes. Up to from first to 14th question we finished today. Yes. You have to write from workbook. Means like a ST you have to write in homework. Like a ST, children, don't copy only and seeing and writing. No, don't write like that. You have to write like a ST. Yes, children, are you preparing? Yes, you have to prepare. Prepare well and get good marks, children. Okay? Yes, children.